When you cut in the hair, you can either cut precise like this, bring it down and cut it, or either you can do rough cut and then work around it. I think most of the time, when you do the rough cut, you get, especially for graduation, you get very nice soft finish like this. If you bring it, even if you do like this here, you know, I'm going to show you doing this, turning, so you can see there, it is coming like here to the middle. In different language. مرحبا أهلا وسهلا فيكم. The Arabic writing. So when you bring this hair here like this, straight away what you're doing is you're giving longer to the side, longer, so shorter to longer, you can see. And then after that, just bring your hair down like this and tidy up. Make sure no long hairs is left between. Now we take another section, big section, bring the hair down, take a half and bring it down. You can see the hair is just following down now. You seen it? Hello Sabrina. Sabrina Anna. So we take another section from there. Make the hair position nice and straight. Make sure no crossing the leg. You bring in this one down. صباح الخير زمرة، كيفك؟ الحمد لله أنا كويس كتير وإن شاء الله أنتم بخير. Now you can see both sides equally is just moving around like that. You seen it? So when we're coming down now, bringing this one. Same. Take natural fall. Take it natural fall. Make sure you're not cutting too much from it. Bring it natural fall down like this. You can cut it like that. And then take it. Make sure you're not cutting too much from the corner. If you cut too much from the corner, here will be shorter. Now, we take in little bit like that. Bringing this one natural fall. You can see. Good. مهويش Hi Bülent, hello Mahwish, lovely سيدرا. اهلا وسهلا فيكم، وان شاء الله انتم بتفرجوا بكل الشعرات. امتى انا بقص الشعر لانك بكل الشعر في قصه احلى من بعض. Like that. Now I'm going to this section. You seen it? How easy step to follow. سابرينا، انا بحاول بحكي بالعربي بحكي بالعربي كثير، بس في مرات ما بحسن بتذكر كلمات كل كلمة العربي، وان شاء الله انتم بتفهموني علي. Simple. It's done. How do you feel the length on the side? Do you want any more short on the side? I think to keep it at, you think the back may go a little bit shorter. But we do that after we blow dry it, and we see how you feel, and it's gonna look fabulous. Now we're gonna clean around here. So what we do here. It's like this, like this, like this, like this. First is first. Who says tag Bulando? Gonna tag it. Angelica, hello Angelica. So we take one section from top section. Like this. And then we take one section from sides. And take one section from the sides. I think, should I blow dry it and come back later to show you the result? Anybody want to see me while me blow drying? If you want to see blow drying, just put thumb up. Just says yes, I want to see it. Write your comment, say I want to see it. Otherwise, I'm gonna close it and come back later. Rena. Irina, the blow dry is going to take long time. Should I come back later? I close the phone. Then I'll come back later to show you the full result. I will come live and I will show you the result. I think that way will be better. Yeah? All right then. See you later.